Kia ora e te whānau, Matua X from Parakore and Extreme Zero Waste, working with the Waste Warriors today. We've had 2 questions to answer. Is there anything in that rubbish that isn't rubbish, that shouldn't be in the rubbish? Question number 1. Question number 2, how much of what was in our rubbish wasn't actually rubbish? Here's what we found out. Who can say what this one is? What was in this bin? What is that?
Paper.
Clean paper. Where should clean paper go? What's the name of that place?
Paper bin.
Which is the word?
Recycling.
Okay. What about the cardboard? Where should that go?
Recycling.
Oh, what about the plastic bottles? 1, 2, 5.
Recycling.
Oh, what about the milk in schools cartons?
Recycling.
Oh, so that could have been recycled, 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 recycled. Then we had food waste. Where did we say food waste could go? If we, what can we do? Compost or chickens, pigs, worms. Yeah, that didn't need to be in the rubbish. This is dirty paper. It's a harder one. You can compost it. It's made from a plant, but that's not recycling. So we found out stuff that wasn't actually rubbish. Correct. Oh, those 2 little bins down there. That was what was actually rubbish. That was it. And lots of it was things like this, especially the single-use plastic. We use it once and throw it away, 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 use it once and throw it away. Maybe we could think about how we're packing our lunches so we're not just throwing away stuff every day, adding big piles. Here's our numbers. Oh, there's a shoe in there, I know. Here's our numbers. This was just a sample, it was 6 bags. What was our total number of waste when we added it up?
6 bins.
Oh. When we figured out how much could be composted, how much was that?
A bin and a half.
Bin and a half. When we figured out how much could be recycled, how much was that?
2.5 bins.
When we added up everything that wasn't actually rubbish, it could have been recycled, it could have been composted, how much was that? 4 bins. The amount that was actually landfill was? 2 bins. Here's a percentage for the people at home who understand percentages. All the stuff that could have been recycled or composted was?
66%.
Yeah, 66%. We could have saved. The actual amount that was actually landfill rubbish was?
33%.
33%. Only 1/3 of it was actually rubbish, and most of it wasn't. That's what we found out today in our waste check at Te Kowhai School. So
and what's our challenge now? What's our goal by the end of the year?
To get $499 of waste. Because last year we spent $400.
Oh, he was listening.
We did too. We spent too much money emptying our bins, didn't we? So we want to make sure that we don't have to spend all this money emptying bins, and we want the money to go where?
To games.
Games in your classrooms and equipment. All right. Good luck, everyone. Say goodbye.
Bye.